Hello, welcome to another class with me, Isabel, on my channel, Embody. This week we are focusing on abundance, not just abundance materially, but also abundance spiritually, and there is no better practice than the Bija mantra, which is seed sounds, Bija, for Lakshmi. Lakshmi is a Hindu goddess who is known for prosperity, abundance, and wealth. But as I emphasize, it is not just about material wealth, because often we need to have the mental wealth in order to have material wealth. And often people that have material wealth, if they don't have mental wealth, it's not so joyous. So with that in mind, we're going to chant this mantra together for 108 times, the auspicious number which often chants are chanted for. And we will begin. The words are Om Shrim Maha Lakshmiya Namaha. So let's begin together. Taking your hands on your knees, bringing the thumbs together, closing your eyes. Om Shrim Maha Lakshmiya Namaha. Om Shrim Maha Lakshmi Namaha. Om Shrim Maha Lakshmi Namaha. Om Shri Mahalakshmi 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 Namaha. And just take a moment as you come to silence, noticing the incredibleness, if that's even a word, of the vibration that you've created with your body. It's so easy to go to the external to find power, whether that's through other instruments or other things or external people, but using your voice, the most powerful instrument in the universe, is a good thing to remind you of the power you have within you to create whatever you want or need. Om Shri Nama Lakshmi Namaha. 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 Om Shri Mahalakshmi 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 Namaya. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaya. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaya. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Mahaya. Om Shri Lakshmi Lakshmi Nahaya. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Nahaya. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Nahaya. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Nahaya. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Nahaya. Om Shri Lakshmi Lakshmi Nahaya. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaya. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaya. Om Shri Lakshmi Lakshmi Namaya. Om Shri Namayakshmi Namaya. Om Shri Lakshmi Lakshmi Namaya. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaya. Om Shri Ramayakshmi Nahaya. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaya. Om Shri Lakshmi Lakshmi Nahaya. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaya. 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 Allow the sounds of the mantra to move through your body. Noticing the vibration that moves within you and during the process, don't worry if you lost the mantra and you just came back to it. It's just another reminder that wherever you go, you just have to find your center once again. And with that, let's all take a deep breath in, reaching the arms up towards the ceiling. And then exhale, let's bring the hands down to the chest at the heart center, bowing the head towards the hand in prayer and in gratitude. And maybe you want to make a prayer right now for something related to the inner or outer aspect of abundance, wealth and prosperity in your life. Mindset, something material, something specific for you. And we bow our heads together in prayer and say a namaste. So thank you so much for practicing with me today. It's been a joyous morning. Please let me know if you liked this video, because I would love to sing more and do more mantras with you. I definitely feel a shift in my energy, more expansive and more open. So I'd love to know in the comments how you feel. 108 is quite a lot, so see how you feel, and I'll see you again soon. But what we're doing is we're using our voice to create vibration in the body, and that's changing the energetic frequency of how we feel. So maybe you woke up feeling a little bit sad or depressed, and maybe if you did this mantra, you may feel slightly different, expanding your senses, expanding your awareness. Thank you so much, and see you soon.